Hi, I want to do an unboxing on Remedy soap. This was recommended to me for people who have larger areas of skin to wash or feels like they need more of um, a body wash or something that's more for a skin that's larger. Um, Now I do want to put out a warning out there. This is tea tree and peppermint, and the peppermint is a very minty um, essential oil. So I wouldn't recommend any of that in any genitalia area or private area. Um, I would probably stand clear of that. This is more for making sure you don't get rashes or get fungus on your skin, things like that. It helps eliminate, like I said, fungus and bacteria. It smooths dry and itchy skin, deodorizes and refreshes. It can be for your foot bath, and it can be for soap. So here are some of the natural things. But if you're allergic to peppermint or have a really bad reaction, this is a very minty product. So it's just kind of like a cooling agent, I want to say, but it also has therapeutic things like I said, it helps your skin to calm down when it's feel irritable. It is something like to get rid of fungus and bacteria. Have not used the product yet. It is something that I will be trying. Um, also, this product that I bought, it also came with this little thank you card, which I think is very nice. Nice of them. Um, True Remedy Naturals. And like I said, it's the thank you card. It also comes with instructions as well as safety precaution guide um, for you to actually read, which means to keep it out of the private areas, out of your eyes. Is only for external use. Keep away from children. And if you're allergic, do not use. It says coconut oil can separate, especially in cold water. So also, if you're allergic to a coconut products or a nut product, this might not be an option for you. The reason why I'm stating that, I do have a child who is actually allergic to that. They didn't have that on the outside of the bottle, but now that I'm seeing this, it might not be a product that I want to use on her per se. Um, it is something that I can use on myself, um, but we'll give it a go to see if this is too intense, mildly intense, or just right. I mean, because the whole purpose is trial and error, trying to find products that will soothe our skin and have great results and feeling good all day. I do promote that. So, again, this is a product about Remedy soap that I am just going to um, update you in comments about how I feel about the product.